to find paying clients in 3 easy steps. Hi, I'm Julia Glide. I love helping women build their business, and today I'm going to teach you what I teach so many of my clients. It's a question that everybody asks, which is how do I find paying clients? So here we go. Step number 1 is to embrace marketing. Most entrepreneurs don't sign up because they want to be a marketer. They sign up to be an entrepreneur because they love doing what they're good at, and marketing usually isn't one of those things. But to be successful in business, you have to embrace marketing and really shift your mindset around that. As a matter of fact, ask yourself every single day, what did I do to market my business today? Step number 2 is get really clear about your ideal client. As a matter of fact, I recommend you create an avatar. What is that person's name? What do they look like? How old are they? What are their pain points? And then speak to that person every time you write an email, create a flyer, create a social media post. Have that person in mind when you're writing, and you'll attract more of your ideal paying clients. And number 3 is to make sure you have an easy yes offer. What does that mean? That means every time you market yourself, have something super enticing that makes people want to click the link and learn more and connect with you. So if you want to learn how to create an easy yes offer, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that's the very next video I'm going to be making and you won't want to miss it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed these 3 tips.